So guys, how to center text or other elements inside a div in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, inside our body we have a div where we have a paragraph. We can also use image or other elements too. Now to center anything inside a div, at first we need to give our div a class name. So class equal to double quotation, suppose container, is totally up to you. Then go to the style section where we put our CSS, call for the class, this one, dot container, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Let's give our div 100% width, so width 100%, height suppose 200 pixel, give it a background color so that we can see everything clearly, color, clone. Now save the document, reload. So as you can see we have our div here. Now to center text, write display clone flex semicolon. This will turn our div container into a flex container. Now to center the text horizontally, justify dash content clone center, save, reload. See, now the text is horizontally centered and the upper gap is from the paragraph default margin. If we give the paragraph 0 margin, the upper gap will be gone. So style equal to double quotation margin clone 0, save, reload. See, the upper gap is gone. Now to center vertically, write align dash items clone center, save, reload. See, now our text is perfectly centered. Also it's totally responsive. So guys, that's how easily we can center a text inside a div in HTML. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.